Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. You know, I've been looking for a gluten-free vegan meatball recipe for some time now, and I didn't really find any that I liked, so I made this one up. So I've got all kinds of cool ingredients. I'm going to use walnuts, fresh breadcrumbs, you know, the usual stuff, garlic, basil, oregano. So let's get started. We're going to be starting with a hot skillet. So we're going to be starting with a hot skillet, and the first thing we're going to add to that skillet is 1 small onion chopped. And if you noticed, I'm not using any oil or veggie broth. We're just going to do a water saute. These onions are going to release moisture, and we're just going to let them saute in their own juices. If I do need a little bit of moisture, I'm going to add in a little bit of water. So we're just going to let these saute for a bit. So as these are sauteing, we're going to add about 1/4 cup of a red bell pepper. And we're going to add about 3 cloves of garlic minced. So we're just going to let all this saute till the onions are translucent. So these are cooking nicely. I think at this point I'm going to add in my spices. So we're going to be adding in some garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne, salt and pepper, ground fennel. So let's get that, and salt, of course. So we're going to add that all in, and we'll add a little bit of water. We'll let this continue to cook. Once the onions are translucent, we're going to add in our flat leaf parsley and our fresh basil. We're going to cook this until it wilts down a bit. At this point, we're ready to add in 1 cup of ground walnuts and about 1 cup of fresh breadcrumbs and about 1/2 cup of fresh vegan cheese. We're going to turn the heat off at this point and stir this all around till everything's incorporated. We're going to add in 1 flax egg to help these meatballs hold together. And again, stir till everything's incorporated. Alright, we're ready to scoop up our meatballs. Just going to use a little ice cream scooper. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. We're going to bake these for about 30-35 minutes. And then we are ready to eat. So I'm just going to continue filling my cookie sheet here. So these are ready to go in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 35 minutes. Okay, so I whipped up some of my fresh pasta sauce, and I already made a video on that. And I use Barilla gluten-free pasta. I think this is the best gluten-free pasta. It's non-GMO, and it's a combination of corn and rice, but it tastes the most like wheat pasta. So highly recommend this. My family can't even tell the difference. And then I also topped my spaghetti and meatballs with some Follow Your Heart Parmesan cheese. So, looks pretty good. So let's give this a try. Super excited. It's very hot. Woo. Here we go. I want to burn myself. It is really, you can, need a minute. That is really good. You can taste all those spices in there. And of course, I will list all the spices, exact amounts of all the ingredients in the description box. So please give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.